Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Jonte. This is the kid in the city and we are back with another eyeshadow detail. Of course, if this is your first time, welcome to my channel. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. If this is not your first time, welcome back. Thanks for coming back, and we're getting into another eyeshadow detail. So today we're using the Juvia's Place Olori 3 eyeshadow palette to create this super cute eyeshadow look. So if you want all the details, the ins and outs, all the colors that I use, the brushes that I use, all the good stuff, stick around because we're jumping right into it. Okay, so we have a brand new eyeshadow that we are getting into today that I'm super excited about. Juvia's Place, I feel like they always have the pigments. They always have like such good colors with their blushes, with their lipsticks, and of course with their eyeshadows as well. So today we are going in with the Juvia's Place Olori 3 eyeshadow palette. I'm just gonna show the colors because it's so beautiful. So these are the colors of the palette. They are absolutely beautiful, and I just want to go in with a nice, not super bright lid, but still like a nice pop. And I love that they have like these the colored glitters. Hold on, let me see. Okay, so I love how they have, like, look at that blue, like that colored glitter is absolutely beautiful. I'm not going to be using that tonight, but that's really kind of what drew me to this palette. That bright blue is just stunning. So yeah, let's see. It doesn't tell me like the names. I'm trying to see. So it says Olori means queen in the Yoruba language, which is spoken by the Yoruba tribe in Nigeria, West Africa. I have Yoruba tattooed on me. Well, the word queen in Yoruba is tattooed on me. Indulge and be intrigued in our Queen series, which holds 6 highly pigmented shades that will take your look to the next level. So it doesn't get, there's no names for these, so we're just gonna have to go like based on the color. But I'm super excited about this palette. So I'm first going to base my eye with the Sephora Best Skin Ever Full Coverage Multi-Use Concealer in the shade 35N. I'm gonna go ahead and base my lid, and then I'm going to set the concealer with the Laura Mercier Translucent Medium Deep Loose Setting Powder, and then we're gonna get into the eyeshadow.
Artlist.io. Music licensing.
I think I just want to use this pink and this burgundy. I think these are the 2 colors that I want to use. So I'm going to go in with this nice, it's like a little blush pink. I'm going to put that right on the inner part of my eye. Oh, that's pretty. She's pretty. Oh, that is pretty. Okay. Let's see what's cool. Let's see what's good. Ooh. That's really pretty. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if I can get a little closer. So pretty. Can you see? Do you see her? So my dress is like this sage green. It's like a satin dress and it's sage green. So I just want to put a little pink, and I think that burgundy will like be really cute. And I'm wearing like black too, so I feel like I don't want it to be like a super dark look as far as the outfit, but we'll see. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a big fluffy. This is from the crayon case, and I'm just gonna buff that out a little bit. Actually, I think I need to bring it over a little bit more. Hooded eyelids, so I always try to make sure that I'm like getting in the crease of my eyelid as best I can. It's hard for the hooded eye girls. All right, so now I'm gonna go and just buff that out. Okay, so now with a short firm brush, I'm gonna go in with this nice burgundy right here. And I don't want to use too much. I want to build. So I'm going to start with a very small amount and just kind of come right here. And then just slowly build that up into the pink. Then we're going to bring her on the edge like so. Like so. And then bring her up again. So this is kind of where we're starting. I don't think we'll end this way, but let's get into it. She's really pretty. And I am just gonna put some right on where that burgundy and that pink meet. And then now with a fluffy, I'm just gonna go ahead and buff that out a little bit, soften that up. And what I also want to do, I do think I'm going to use the other color. So with a very short fluffy, I'm gonna go in with this lighter tan color right here. And I'm just gonna buff that out right on top of that burgundy, just to soften the burgundy up a little bit. And I'm gonna put that right, I'm gonna bring that up to this like right above that brow bone. Well, I'm sorry, right underneath the brow bone. Okay, and now I'm gonna go back, add just a little more of that burgundy. I want to be super intentional with that burgundy color, so I'm gonna just be very careful.
Artlist.io.
I'm just going to go back to make sure that like the pink is blended into that burgundy. And then just a little bit more of that tan on the outer part. This is really cute. Let me see. I actually love this. I do want to add a little more pink just because I don't want to like lose the pink. I feel like that's low-key my favorite part.
Music licensing reimagined.
I love. Okay, so this is going to be the eye. let's get into it. So now I'm just going to copy and paste. Okay, so the eyeshadow is now done. What I am gonna do is complete the face. I'm gonna finish the face, and then we all know how I get. I never know if I want to do anything on the bottom lid or not, but I may do just a little bit of that burgundy. Anyway, I'm gonna finish the rest of the face, and I'm gonna come back and finish the eye look, and then we will go from there. Again, getting into the Juvia's Place Olori III eyeshadow palette, and yeah, we're just gonna continue to look from here. Okay, so the rest of the face is done. I haven't done my lip yet, but I am just gonna go on the bottom lid with that same burgundy that I used on the eye, and yeah, we're gonna go on the bottom lid. And I think that's all I want to do. I don't want to bring it all the way. I don't. I think that's it. That's literally all I want to do right there. Because I think I'm going to put some eyeliner on. Yeah, so just like that. Now I am going to take a slanted, and I'm just gonna kind of smoke it out.
Artlist.io.
Like that. Okay, and then we're just going to copy and paste. Okay, so this is the bottom lash. This is what we got. So, well, I'm sorry, the lower lid with the eyeshadow. So I'm going to finish the rest of the face, and then I will be back with the final look. Okay, so here we are with the final look, and I'm super obsessed with it. Again, we went in with excuse me, the Juvia's Place Olori III Palette. I used, as soon as I get the camera to focus, I used this pink, I used this little burgundy, and then I used this as like a fade color to like kind of dull this a little bit, and then the pink was the main color. But I am super happy with this palette. Again, I love when the eyeshadow pigments are very soft. I feel like it's just super easy to apply, super smooth, and I'm not mad at this. I really am excited to use this palette more because this blue shimmer is just like screaming to me. This palette is really pretty, and I think this is only like $10 or $15, so it's a super affordable eyeshadow palette. Again, it is a little bit smaller, so it is a little bit smaller, of course, so that may align with the price point, but it's super affordable, super pigmented, and I know like you can make so many pretty looks with that. It has the right amount of nudes, the right amount of like pops. Like I feel like that's a very balanced eyeshadow palette, and for the price point I don't really feel like you can beat it. But this is basically the look. Let me get a little up close. Super cute. I'm really happy with how this came out. Yeah, this is really cute, and this is just, you know, another eyeshadow detail just to make like if you literally just want to see the eyeshadow, you don't have to watch a whole like full glam video. But if you do want the full glam on this look, then I'll link it right here and you can watch the full video. But this is basically just another eyeshadow detail. Again, Juvia's Place Olori III Palette. Absolutely obsessed with it. 10 out of 10. And I'm really excited for this look. I was about to say something else, but it don't matter. Anyway, follow me on all socials at The Kid in the City. And that is all. Thank you so much for tuning in. You could have been anywhere anywhere in the world. But you chose to be here with the kid. And for that, I thank you. Until next time, bye.
Music licensing reimagined.